Hello, my name is Andrew Kinney. I'm a Social Security attorney with Hoglund Law Offices, headquartered in Roseville, Minnesota. I started helping people get Social Security disability in 1992. I currently help over 500 people with their Social Security hearings per year. In this video, I will explain what the Social Security disability and SSI benefit programs are and 7 tips to help you get approved. My information is general. It's important if you need personal legal help to get the advice of an attorney. We'll start with the fundamentals. Most people are familiar with Social Security retirement benefits. You can receive Social Security retirement benefits once you're old enough. Social Security also, though, pays you disability benefits when you're not full retirement age and when you have serious medical problems that will keep you from working full-time for a year or more. We'll talk about these benefits. There are 2 basic kinds of Social Security benefits: Social Security disability insurance benefits and SSI, or supplemental security income. You can apply for Social Security disability insurance when you have enough reported work earnings. When you stop reporting work earnings, you usually have between 3 and 5 years to prove you are disabled. After this, you may only be eligible for SSI benefits. SSI benefits are based on your financial need. You may have little or no recent work history. Your Social Security local office decides what your household income is and assets and determines if you can apply for SSI. When you apply for benefits, you can apply either online or at the Social Security's local offices. Social Security will decide which of these benefits you can apply for. And keep in mind that Social Security has records of your work earnings from the IRS. Social Security disability benefits and SSI are different. Disability insurance benefits pays monthly, as does SSI, but right now, Social Security disability insurance payment, the average payment is about $1,400 per month. SSI currently tops out at a little under $950 per month, and what you get for Social Security disability insurance is based on your reported work earnings. Some people can get both these benefits, but Social Security won't pay you SSI once disability insurance is about $950 or more per month. We'll talk about applying for Social Security benefits. When you can no longer work because of your medical problems, you should apply for Social Security disability and SSI benefits. Social Security pays you monthly benefits based on physical and mental issues, or both. You can apply either online or in person. There's an application and there's an application decision. If you're denied, you need to appeal within 2 months. Your decision explains your appeal rights. Then the next level is reconsideration. At this level, if you're denied again, you need to appeal and request a hearing within 2 months. Again, your reconsideration decision explains your appeal rights in detail. Then you'll be scheduled for a Social Security disability hearing before a Social Security administrative law judge. Keep in mind that the Social Security hearing is the first time that Social Security will make a medical decision in your case. The first 2 decisions have been outsourced to the states. When Social Security decides if you're disabled, it relies mostly on 2 things: what your doctors and other medical providers have treated you for, and how severe your symptoms are. For example, if you have a bad back, Social Security will evaluate x-rays and MRIs of your back. Social Security will look at your diagnosis. Also, Social Security will review your physical exams to evaluate your ability to do things, such as stand, walk, lift, and carry things. If you have depression, Social Security will evaluate the treatment notes of your medical providers who have diagnosed you. It will decide how your depression still limits you despite treatment and medications. If you might apply for Social Security disability benefits or SSI, here are the 7 most important things I tell my new clients. First, make sure to treat with the right medical providers on a regular basis, including specialists. If you don't have medical insurance, try to get it through the state. If you're unable to treat with doctors now, you'll have very little updated information about how your disability limits you now. So in other words, it is key to have regular treatment, even if you need to figure out how to get free treatment. Most importantly, if you have no treatment, there will be little or no chance of getting benefits. Second, tell your doctors all your symptoms and listen to their advice. Social Security will evaluate your medical treatment notes and determine how much how your symptoms limit you, you have to relay or convey all your symptoms to your doctors. If you hold back, doctors can't help you, and in turn, there's no proof of what's wrong. Social Security will evaluate whether you follow your doctor's advice as well. If your doctor thinks that you should take medications for mental health, have a candid discussion with your doctor if you're worried about taking medications, or after a while if there's side effects, but make sure to have good communication with your providers. If you treat with your doctors but don't listen to their advice, Social Security can decide you're not complying with treatment, and if you did, you would get better. Third, work as long as you can while under your doctor's guidance. I find the strongest cases that I do in the hearing level are people that worked until they couldn't, in essence, at some point. And this year, if you cannot make about $1,500 a month gross, that's before taxes, because of your medical problems, and you expect you won't get better within the next year, you should apply for disability benefits now. Don't delay. You do not need to wait a year to apply. If your problems are severe enough that they will likely last a year or may last a year, and again, you're unable to make anything, or you're able to make only under about $1,500 a month, that's the time to consider applying for benefits. Do not delay. Fourth, decide if you'll hire a Social Security disability attorney now or later. Our law firm can help you apply, but you do not need an attorney to apply for benefits. Applying is the most important step. You can always hire an attorney after your case is going. Fifth, complete and send back all the forms that Social Security needs on time. Social Security, during the application, reconsideration, and hearing levels, will ask you things about your medical treatment and your daily activities. If they don't have all the forms they need from you on time, they may deny you without actually evaluating your case. This is wrong, but I see this all the time. Sixth, make sure to keep appealing if you're denied. The first two appeals are state agencies. They have very poor quality control. That's understood and widely regarded as the flaw in the system. They deny many more people than they should. I've watched this for 30 years. I've made a career out of proving them wrong. These appeal levels, the application and reconsideration levels, rely on you giving up. Do not give up and keep appealing to get to a hearing unless you know you can work or you have an opportunity to make more money this year, again, about over $1,500 a month or more. So in other words, if you apply and find that you're getting better or you're able to make more money and return to work, that's the time where you would reasonably not consider appealing. You may wish to get legal advice to make that decision. Seventh, and finally, what I tell my new clients, the application process and appeal process can take a long time. Be ready to wait at least a year or two before you get to your Social Security hearing. Times for waiting for Social Security hearings vary across the country. While you are waiting, again, keep treating with medical providers you trust. Treat to get better and to be able to return to work. If you can return to work, again, decide whether you keep your claim going. But it's important to keep treating and trying to get better. If this video has been helpful, feel free to like us and comment below. If you're looking for legal help and have personal questions about getting Social Security disability or SSI benefits, please call Hoglund Law Offices at 651-628-4001. Again, 651-628-4001. Don't put personal comments about your situation online because they won't be personal anymore. This is Attorney Andrew Kinney from Hoglund Law Offices. I hope this helped. Thank you.